OMG Nation? So this morning I am headed over to the Franklin Armory to get in a little target practice. I am taking my Glock 43 and my Glock 17. I'm meeting a friend down there, and we're going to work on improving our skills. So we'll get in here and show you a little footage. So if you're new to my channel, basically I do some day in the life stuff, some reviews of motorcycle gear. I moto vlog, moto conversation. I try to ask you guys as many questions as I can, and that way I will get you the content that you would like to see, as well as the stuff that I'd like to talk about. Look at here, the Franklin Rain. It's a smiley face. I did better with the 43. 1, 2, 3, 2, and then missed one. Alright, so that was a little bit of the Franklin Armory. My friend did not want to be on camera. I always want to make sure that when someone doesn't want to be on camera, I don't put them on. Yes, so you know, I appreciate you guys watching this episode. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.